Hi, my name is Roger Weinerth, and I'd like to introduce you to the Conscious Movement Workshop. I've been a Hellerwork structural integration practitioner for 40 years. I was in Joseph Heller's first class. I am actually on the faculty of Hellerwork and on the Institute of Structural Medicine. This workshop is about mastering how your body and your mind work together in gravity. In our culture, we've been trained to have shoulders back, chin up, and chest out. And in this posture, as you notice, I'm actually holding on to my body to get this. So it's about learning how to contract your body. And part of that is that you have these motor nerves that come down from your brain with your intention, and they kind of hold on. So on some level, we've been trained to hold on to our body for good structure. And in that posture, we actually act like the arm starts here and the leg starts here. And in that, when you move like that, the torso doesn't move very much. In fact, we call this the rib cage. And so they treat it like a cage and keep it very, very still. If you look at the movement structure, the muscles of the body, the arm starts here in the center of the body and comes out like that. It also comes up like this from underneath and out like this. It starts from the center over here, comes out like this and down. It comes out from here, out like this and down. And even this big muscle right here, the lat, comes across like this and up into the arm. So the arm starts in the center of the body. If you also look at the leg looks like it starts right there, but if you take off all this muscle structure right here and pull out the organs, this is what it looks like. Here's your diaphragm, and here's your lumbar spine, and on both sides of your spine, right there, is a muscle that comes down and attaches into your leg. So that means your leg is hooked on all the way up here instead of down here. And what happens then, it actually starts moving your whole torso better. You get a greater range of motion. In this structure, what happens over time, gravity gets a hold of your body and you keep getting shorter. People's heads get out there, their arms start going down like this, and as they get older, the body gets less and less flexible. So all the joints are collapsing a little bit, and at the same time, it's causing the nervous system to hold on. In this structure, since the arm starts in here and it starts moving everything, all these ribs start moving. And as they move, they actually open up your nervous system in your spine, which causes your spine to be more relaxed and more expressive rather than collapsing and getting shorter as we get older. So the goal is that when you start walking through the center of your body and moving more from the center, it actually causes you to elongate your body and be in better alignment with gravity. It gives you a greater range of motion, helps you get out of pain. It actually can shift your attitude. They talk about the attitude of a plane. As you start shifting the attitude of your body, it actually has an effect on the attitude of you as a person. This Conscious Movement Workshop and Self-Bodywork is about getting your body more aligned with gravity, getting you more centered, balanced, and present in your body, and centered, balanced, and present in your mind. They have an effect on each other. It's about waking up your body so that you can feel more open, more energetic. The energy training in the work is all about getting you more centered in your body to help you to feel like when you feel tight and removed or when you feel more connected. It's also the self-body work is one of the tools of the work. It's called a theracane. And basically I start teaching you how the body has a greater range of motion. When you start opening up the body, you might notice that your rib cage is not so glued, that your spine has a lot more movement to it. And when it has more movement, it actually gives you a whole lot more energy. So when people are walking around like this, it's a lot different than if they're walking around like this. And so it changes the way they're connecting to others. It changes the way you're connecting to your life. So if you would like to learn more about this work, please come to the Conscious Movement Workshop and check it out by going to www.bodymindpower.com. Hope to see you in the next class.